Hello friends and welcome on Jeen Spoon channel. Today I'm going to show you a very special recipe from northern Thailand which has an unbelievable taste and flavor. Ngeaw is a very appreciated Thai dish with an addictive, spicy and sour taste which originates in northern Thailand. The version you will see us cooking today is the one found in Chiang Mai province, a very popular touristic mountain region whose main city is the largest in northern Thailand and which normally used to receive over 14 million visitors annually. But if you go towards the old capital of northern Thailand in Chiang Rai, very visited by tourists due to its natural beautiful sights, a much cleaner air and a more temperate climate, you will find this curry made with blood from pork and chicken. However, the indispensable and most important ingredient is the cotton tree flour, which after drying is used for cooking this food or in traditional Indian medicine. I believe for this recipe the most difficult task is to find all the ingredients you need. Here in London we got many Asian stores, but for some ingredients like cotton tree flour it's harder to find them, so I brought some from Thailand. This one?
Yeah.
For bones. Which one is good? Maybe this. Let's see.
Another one.
Another one, yeah? Yeah. Here, this one. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, good. Perfect. Alright, good. When we was inside the shop, we start by boiling a pot of water where we drop the pork bones and leave them boiling, removing the foam lifted up the surface of water. We add some spring onion and coriander tails. While the soup is boiling, we prepare some sliced cabbage, beansprouts, chopped coriander, cut some spring onion and lemon for the sides. We add now the chili paste, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, the minced pork is going in now. Tamarind is only optional, not need actually. The tomatoes. And now the main ingredient, the cotton tree flour. Something like this. Wow. Monosodium glutamate for intensifying the flavors. Prepare some garlic, which is gonna be fried until reach a golden brown color. The rice noodles are dropped in boiling water. And now we start the plating. First noodles, then the soup. What else we take? Spring onion. Take from here. Coriander. Alright. Cabbage. Beansprouts. Crispy pork skin. Fried garlic. If you would like to read the recipe, you can find it down below in description. This was today's recipe on Jeen Spoon's channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.